from Bobcat. Today we'll learn about the forklift tire management. Now, forklift tires require various types and management method depending on the working environment. Today, together with senior expert Daniel Yu, we'll take a detailed look at the types of tires, air pressure management, and replacement cycles. Hello, senior expert.
Hello.
Now, first of all, could you explain the types of forklift tires, please?
Forklift tires can be classified into pneumatic tires and solid rubber tires.
Okay, then senior expert, could you explain the advantages and disadvantages of the two types of tires and the suitable working environments for each?
Yes, most definitely. So first, pneumatic tires are similar to the tires used in trucks or cars filled with air. So they can be used on various terrains and are particularly suitable for outdoor work. The advantages of pneumatic tires include shock absorption and excellent traction. Now, however, they are prone to punctures and require regular air pressure checks. Next, solid rubber tires are filled with rubber and do not contain air. They are mainly used for indoor work or on flat terrains. Now, solid rubber tires are used in environments where there are sharp objects like nails that pose a risk of punctures. The advantages of solid rubber tires include durability, stability, and long lifespan. However, they do lack shock absorption and have poor traction on rough terrains.
I see. Now, earlier you mentioned that the pneumatic tire requires regular air pressure management. What is the best way to manage the air pressure?
Well, the importance of tire air pressure is significant. So the tire air pressure standard value is specified on the forklift's user manual. Now, the air pressure standards vary depending on the type of forklift and tire, so it is essential to check them. So proper air pressure ensures safe operation and extends the tire's lifespan. It is essential to visually inspect the tires before getting into the driver's seat, and it is recommended to check them as frequently as possible.
I see. Now, senior expert, what is the replacement cycle for tires then?
The replacement cycle varies greatly depending on the working environment and road conditions. There is no exact replacement cycle, and the tire should be replaced based on their wear condition. Now, forklifts steer with the rear tires, and since the counter weight is at the back, the rear tires wear out faster than the front tires. So you should check the wear line of the tires or measure the tread depth to determine if the tire replacement is necessary. Additionally, if there are foreign objects like nails or glass embedded in the tires, they should be removed to check the extent of the damage, and the tire should be replaced if necessary.
That was such a detailed explanation. Thank you so much. Today, we discussed the management of the forklift tire. By understanding the types of tires, air pressure management, and replacement cycles, we can ensure safe and efficient operations. We'll come back with more useful information next time. Bye-bye for now. Thank you.
Thank you.